welcome to our toys review. I'm going to be talking about my Mighty Pups. They're from Paw Patrol. And they're brand new. It was from my birthday party. And they can glow up more. They can glow up.
Okay. All right, well, show us what they can do. Oh, that's pretty cool. So they're from Paw Patrol?
Yes.
What are the names?
Marshall, Chase, Zuma, Rebel, Rocky, and Sky.
Okay, so which one is which?
This one is Marshall. This one is Chase. This one is Zuma. This one is Rebel. This one is Rocky. And this one is Sky.
Cool. Elijah, what do you have?
Sammy Lawrence.
Which one is Sammy Lawrence?
This one.
And where is he from?
Mama.
Walmart. Is that a cartoon? So is that from Bendy and the Ink Machine?
Yes.
Oh, it's Bendy and the Ink Machine. What's the other one?
Huh?
What is the other one? What is this one?
The Benny cutout.
Bendy Cutout? What does he do?
Like if you chop him, he comes back.
Oh, okay. So you guys like your toys?
Yes.
Cool. What's so special about these toys?
Because these Mighty Pups were from my birthday party.
From your birthday party or your birthday?
Birthday party?
Okay, so you got them for your birthday party?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Cool. All right, is there anything else you want to tell us about your toys? All right.
We.
Well, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and push that post notification button for us. Say bye.
Bye.